Welcome to Knowledge Ascension. In today's guide, I'll show you how to get Apple Music for free in 2024. First, Apple offers new users a 1 to 3 month free trial. So if you are a new subscriber, you can start there. Another option is through your carrier. Some like Verizon bundle Apple Music for free with certain plans. Keep an eye out for promo codes and special offers from Apple and third-party deals that can give you temporary free access. Lastly, you can also consider the Apple One bundle, which combines several Apple services including music and comes with a free trial. So if you are in Apple Music website, you can always see an option to get a free trial. So once you click on try it for free, you will be seeing a window that is popped up to actually sign in and create your own account. So once you do that, you will get 1 month free. It's actually based on your current location. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides.